Hello again. I have a new and wonderful story. Its name is Rainforest Boy. I'll start reading it. Rainforest Boy. These children live near the rainforest. They want to play. They want to play with their friend Karapura, the rainforest boy. Karapura! They say, Karapura! Here's Karapura. Karapura is the rainforest boy. He lives in the rainforest and he loves the animals and the trees. Karapura has red hair and strange feet. His feet are backwards. He is strong and very fast, and he can whistle very loud. The rainforest is very big, but the children are safe with Karapura. The animals and trees are safe too. Karapura is their friend. Come with me, says Karapura to the children. Come and see something. The children go into the rainforest with Karapura. They walk next to the river and up a hill. Then they come to a big tree. Look, says Karapura quietly. Look at the jaguar with her cubs. And there, under the tree, are three little cubs with their mother. Ah, says the children. Look at them. Sometimes bad men come and they kill the jaguars, says Karapura. They want their beautiful coats. We must stop the bad men. We must help the jaguars so they are safe. Then the cubs can get big and strong. One day they can have cubs too. Please help them, Karapura, says a little girl. The children follow Karapura out of the rainforest. Then they say goodbye and run home. Goodbye, Karapura says. Come back tomorrow. Come and see the jaguars tomorrow. But a man is listening. A man with a gun. A hunter. I can kill those jaguars and get their coats, thinks the hunter. I can come back tomorrow with my friends, and we can follow that boy. He can take us to the jaguars. But Karapura sees the hunter. The next day the children come back. The hunter comes back too. He comes back with his friends. Karapura, the children say. Let's go and see the jaguars. Not today, my friends, says Karapura. The jaguars are tired. You cannot come with me today. But come back tomorrow. The children go home, and Karapura goes into the rainforest. He doesn't walk next to the river. He doesn't walk up the hill. He doesn't go to the jaguars. Karapura goes up some rocks and behind some trees. He goes up hills and down hills. He walks and walks. The hunters follow Karapura, and Karapura knows it. All morning, Karapura walks. He walks and the men follow. The men are tired. They are hot and tired and hungry. Where are the jaguars? They think. Suddenly, Kurapira runs. He runs very, very fast, and the hunters can't follow him. Where is he? They say. We can't see him. The hunters come to a big tree. They cannot see Kurapira. They are hot and tired and hungry too. They want to find the jaguars. Then one of the hunters says, "Look, his footprints. We can follow his footprints. They can take us to the jaguars." Kurapira is up the tree. He laughs quietly. They are his footprints, but they are backwards footprints. They don't go to the jaguars. They go down hills and up hills. Then they go out of the rainforest. The hunters follow their footprints. They are tired and hungry. Where are these footprints going? They ask. Where is that boy? And where are the jaguars? Then the hunters hear a whistle, a loud, loud whistle. What's that? They say. Is it an animal? Now they are afraid too. They are tired, hungry, and afraid. Where are we? They say. But they don't know, so they follow the footprints. All afternoon, the hunters follow the footprints. They hear another whistle, and they are afraid. There are strange things in this rainforest, they say. It is evening now, and they want to go home. These footprints aren't taking us to the jaguars, they say. But can they take us out of the rainforest? The men follow the footprints, and at last they come out of the rainforest. I'm afraid, says one of the hunters. I don't want to come back. Here. No, say the others. Let's go home. And they run home. Kurapira is in a tree. He sees the men, and he laughs and laughs. The next day, the children come back. Can we see the jaguars today, Kurapira? They ask. Yeah, you can see the jaguars today, he says. The jaguars are not tired today. Are you helping them, Kurapira? Asks the little girl. Yes, says Kurapira. I always help the jaguars. I help the rainforest and all the rainforest animals, so they are safe. I'm done from reading the story. I hope you like my reading and the story. And bye bye.